A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. There's a marginal decrease in petrol prices this week. Effective tomorrow, 87 and 90 gasoline will fall by 38 cents per litre. Automotive diesel will also decline by 88 cents per litre. However, ultra-low sulfur diesel will be increased by $1.22. Kerosene will decline tomorrow by 61 cents per litre. LPG, propane and butane will see a $1.30 and a 68-cent drop respectively. Meanwhile, oil prices made marginal gains today in a volatile session as U.S. government data showed that while there were signs a glut in crude may be receding, crude inventories remain large with gasoline demand weak. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude ended trading 16 cents higher at $47.82 a barrel. The Act to amend the Public Debt Management Act, PDMA, was passed today in the House of Representatives. It was passed with 5 amendments. The PDMA, which was enacted in December 2012, provided a framework for the management of the public debt. However, it did not address the operational aspects of debt management. The amendments will provide guidelines on the main roles, functions, and responsibilities of the operational bodies governed under the Act. It will now go to the Senate for approval. Digicel today announced that it will acquire all the shares of IDOM Technologies, a company operating in the French West Indies and the Indian Ocean. The financial terms of the contract are not being disclosed and the transaction is subject to regulatory approval. IDOM Technologies provides a wide range of ICT services spanning connectivity as well as voice and security services to over 800 business and public sector customers across a range of industries including insurance, commerce, financial services, health and automotive. It has operations across the French overseas territories in the West Indies and the Indian Ocean. As part of the deal, Digicel will acquire IDOM's 265 kilometers of fiber optic network, enhancing its reach and ability to offer transformative next-generation ICT services to customers across Martinique, Guadeloupe, and French Guyana. Let's look at foreign currency trading now, which ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.85. The Canadian dollar closed trading at $95.83, while sterling ended at $167.08. The euro went up $2.26. It sold for $142.46. And finally, in today's trading session, the JSE index advanced by 2,875 points to close at 232,574. The junior market index advanced by 32 points. That closed at 3,263. The winners today, they were Knutsford Express, Access Financial Services, Jamaica Producers, Portland JSX, Caribbean Cream, Sagicor, Radio Jamaica, and Honey Bun. Losers included Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, General Accident, Epley Preference Shares, the JMB's 7.5%, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Proven, Caribbean Cement, and Grace Kennedy. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.